Can you guys hear me? Hello? Hello, hello. Hello. Nice. All right, perfect. Is there like an echo or does it sound bad? All right, nice. Perfect. All right, dope. Very good. Very good. All right. Okay. So I'm gonna try to have some sort of music or something playing in the background. I couldn't do lo-fi, so I'm gonna see how we feel. I'm gonna see how I feel with this. Nice. There we go. Okay. Perfect. Can you guys hear that? Is that too loud? Is this fine? As it's playing, can you guys hear what I'm saying perfectly? And alright, cool. Alright. Is this a little too loud now? Better? Is this good? Alright. Okay. Alright. I don't know what to put on after this, to be honest. So, might have to make like a playlist or something. It's too loud? Alright. Better? Alright, perfect. Very nice. I still have an echo on. Alright, let's focus on some trading. I need some sort of a playlist. Should I type in late 90s, early 2000s? Early 2000s hits? Let's listen to classical music. No echo on Twitch. Nice. Andrew Tate theme. God, dude. Tiesto EDC Las Vegas set. Interesting. These songs are a bit too ghetto. Yeah. The market is chopping around basically. The IWM is showing weakness. We have resistance at 187 on the IWM. It's trading below VWAP. Everything, the NASDAQ is showing strength, so that's why the SPY is showing some sort of support, but it's having trouble staying above. So basically the main level of support on the SPY today is 426.28. The levels that you need to watch on the NASDAQ are 349.50. Of course, 350, right? But then 351. And then 351.80. These are all very important levels. Let me is there still an echo on TikTok? A little bit. What the heck is happening? How about now? Still? Is there still an echo? Hello? Hello? Alright, the SPY is breaking through support. The IWM is showing weakness. The NASDAQ needs to break below 349.50. Continue to move down. Daddy days, good. Okay. There's a financial modeling playlist on Spotify. Financial modeling playlist. That sounds... I don't even know what that sounds like. What is it? Are we about a code? Pantera or Kill Switch engaged in the background. SPY is a bit like the long winding road. Soldier Boy, press the code ghetto. No. So that song that I played was obviously not ghetto. I was looking at late 90s, early 2000s rap and hip hop, and it was gonna be a bunch of cursing and stuff like that. Yeah, I didn't want to listen to Hit 'Em Up and Biggie and that sort of stuff. I wanted like something like neutral, some like neutral songs, stuff. Epic milk, and we're getting old, man. Oh, this looks like a good short. This is starting to look like a good short. Let's see. I'm just gonna be patient. Let's take it easy. Not do anything crazy. Is my mic still echoing on TikTok, guys? No? Alright. Okay. Perfecto. Very good. Okay. Fudge. I'm in light SPY puts, taking light SPY puts. Very light, we're kind of late. I wanted to enter on the pop-up where it's kind of messed up on this entry, but it's a light play. I'm going to have basically a stop loss right above 420, 650. I'm lowering my position size. I'm taking a little profit here as we just cracked to 85. I took some profit. Nice. We had a good little drop. Comfortably up at least 10% for everybody on this trade. Made a new low of day. The momentum was very, very bearish. That's why. So look, essentially the reason why I want to enter short to begin with was because why I was saying it was starting to look like a good short was because after a big drop, right, to circumvent. Ooh, baby. Make sure you guys take more profit. Make sure you guys are taking more profit. This was a solid play. Easy money. You guys made money. Contracts are starting to be a little interesting here. All right, I'm out the rest. I'm not gonna hold. Good trade. Good stuff. Tree it 20% all out. Nice. Oh man, tree it. Very nice. Congratulations, man. Good stuff. Hip hop and no rap. Miss Michelle. NASDAQ has a gap to fill. Missed the gap fill by 7 cents. Thank you. I don't know. 3 inches of blood on repeat. 3 inches of blood on repeat. What the hell is going on? Playlist called Always Sunday on Apple Music. I was hoping to see QQQ test 350 short. QQQ drop. Anyone else think or so I'm not showing SPY updates? Yeah, my Thinkorswim was acting up as well. I hope you guys still got in. I was doing the charting for you. Did you guys at least trade? Get the trade in? Weeble didn't fill me in. Canceled it. There has to be a way that you could make market orders on Weeble. That is the most tangible, easy way. Kevin Basillo, W trade, took profit, nice. What's the play? We took shorts. We went short on the SPY here, and then we sold. So now we're not holding anything at the moment. Thinkorswim has been walking this morning. Didn't get filled. Slow fingers this morning. It's all good. We took the S&P 500. We played puts on the S&P 500. Epic Milkman, another put opportunity. Nice. I like your thinking. The IWM is crapping itself, which is quite obvious. We needed a pullback on the IWM. Where do you think the market is going for SPY today based off of TA? I'll get a better understanding of everything by probably like 10:30, 11. But right now it's a bit too early. Nothing has really happened so far. It's too early to judge. I'm in light SPY puts. If they rip it up from here, then this is going to be like extreme strength, but I don't think they have the strength here to pull this up. I have a stop loss again at 426.50. Let's see. Hmm. We have to sell this if it breaks below 60 cents. Still holding. This is kind of bad. If they don't rip it down here, then this is going to rip into a new high. This they made it look very, very bearish. We failed at VWAP, and this needs to rip down lower now, or else this is going to make a new high. So a lot of people are starting to add shorts here, and this is like a really good opportunity. If they're going to rip it up, it's going to be very soon. It's unfortunate they haven't dropped it yet. Yeah. That didn't work. All right, let's see what we can do here. The IWM is showing resistance at 185.61. The NASDAQ made a new high of the day. The SPY is creeping up into a new high of the day. It's too early to try to short this strength. We have resistance on the SPY at 427.20 and 427.66. I'm buying 427 puts with a high day stop. What the hell? That dropped really fast. I took some profit. Contracts shot up really, really quick. Contracts are paying really, really well. So, God, wow. Make sure you guys solidify some profit, because damn, this is moving very, very quick. 20%. Damn. It's the fact that we're paying this well off of little small moves like this, it's not going to be sustainable to the downside, unfortunately. That's what I think. Damn. But yeah, we'll re-enter. We're going to re-enter into short if anything, but don't allow this to go red. Did you guys catch the short? Did you guys go short? I'm assuming you guys went short. So, yeah. So for now, just don't allow the contracts to go back red. I have a stop loss from 0.82. No fill? Damn. Sadly, no. Fudge. What broker are you trading on? So I use a few different brokerages, but it also depends on what country you're in. So what country are you in? Epic Milkman. Yep, I bought it, the Shooting Star. Good stuff, man. Killing it. Good stuff, man. Epic, are you in the Discord? You guys should join the Discord. EG, this is new to me, bro. This is new to me. How do I get into this? Send me a DM on Instagram or on Discord, and I can send you free courses and books to help you learn how to trade. The US. Okay, so you should first download. So first of all, before you get into this, send me a DM on Instagram or on Discord, and I can send you courses and stuff for you to learn. All right, because you don't want to just start trading and basically just gambling and you're going to lose your money. Send me a DM and I'll send you stuff for free. Absolutely for free. No gimmick, nothing, right? So do that, and then make an account for TD Ameritrade Think or Swim. It's called TD Ameritrade Think or Swim. With that, you're allowed to paper trade. So paper trading is when you trade with fake money, but with real-time data. So you should paper trade. Paper trade and tell them that you want real-time data. Like contact support, tell them that you want real-time data on your paper trading account. And then practice with that instead of using your actual real money. GG Hamid, I have a question. Yeah, what's up? I'll be right back. I have to do something real quick. I have I hope this doesn't get filled. I'll be back in a few minutes. I have a stop loss for 0.78, but you guys should let's hope this does well in the next few minutes. But just make sure you guys don't let this go back red. All right, I'll be right back. Yeah, I'm gonna be right back. Okay, I'm back. Mm. I want to pop upward. I'm in light puts. I'm in light puts with a high day stop. This is risky because we're fighting against the upward momentum. There's clearly upward momentum. We had a big wick down here just now in the last minute. A lot of sellers got swept and the buyers just basically bought it up. So this is usually bullish, but this is a light sort of loose position that I have. So let's see. I wasn't here. I would have shorted it with a stop loss here, but this is basically the next best thing. So I'm just having a light loose sort of position for a continued move down. Let's go, baby. Easy money, 10%. Not allowing this to go back red. It's doing what it needs to do for a continued move down. Let's see. I would love to see it just really tumble and fall. You know, generally that's what would happen, but at this point, that's why you have to take some profits, especially once you hit 10%. This is not falling as much as it should. Everyone that's trying to short now is going to be a late bear. So shorting here is generally difficult because they're taking their sweet time to drop the market. There's no momentum, and it's at a level of support. So late bears usually get We just have to see how they're going to reward or punish late bears. And so far, not working out for these fellas. Makes way more sense to go short at levels of resistance on pops. So that's what we did. Yeah. Yes, I'm not holding anything. Late bears got demolished. I'm just gonna buy light puts again. This is gonna have a tight stop loss. I'm in light puts. This is risky. This is a very risky trade. Do not take this if you already made money and everything today. No reason to risk the trade here. This is very risky. We're fighting against upward momentum. But I'm banking on they're going to press the momentum down. That's essentially what this trade is. It needs to remain below 427.30 and just be held and continue pushing down. So that is what this setup generally does. But not today, clearly. So let's see if we get a close above. Yeah, I'm out. I sold. See, I might re-enter, but yeah, that was a risky trade. I really want to re-enter. I'm gonna re-enter light again. This is again a very, very risky trade. Damn, if we missed that, I would have been very upset. I would have been very upset if we missed that one. We re-entered pretty perfectly. have to stick to your stop losses and have every trade as a new trade. If you get stopped out on the first one and you still think that things are going to continue going your way, you need to just re-enter. So for the contracts, I always trade the same day expiration with the closest at the money call or put. The IWM is continuing to have weakness, and it's creating a range here at below 186. So the IWM was a big reason why we had a big move, but currently the NASDAQ is helping pull the SPY up. It's too early to re-short. I want to wait for another pop up, maybe closer to 427.50, 427 like 427.70, 427.80. So we got a pop up. I want it to continue going up a little bit more before shorting, because we got the pressured move down, but then it got bought right back up. So that's very bullish. When this happens, when a very bearish move is supposed to happen, but then we end up like making a very big doji, that is very bullish. That's why we exploded. So now I'm waiting for this explosion to basically subside a bit higher, and then we could see what happens next. Daddy days, how long to study / paper trade before starting with real money? So while you're paper trading, you should also start a trading journal. So as you're paper trading, you need to have a trading journal to document the reasoning behind every trade that you're taking. So if you went short over here, you need to document, okay, what was the price that I went short? What was the time I went short? Everything. Be as detailed as possible with everything. Google what a trading journal is. Get very well acclimated. With a trading journal, and then as you have a paper trading account, document all your trades, and then it depends on how much time and effort you put into it. It's going to take at least, you should not even be putting in money for at least a month or two. But if you're serious with your documentation, with your trades and everything, then that's very good. But yeah, you need to study. You need to be good at this, because then you don't want to waste money for no reason. So, and this is not gambling, so you need to learn. But yeah, just be patient and just work hard. I'm buying light puts again. I want this to remain below 427.55. This is light. I'm not letting the contracts fall below 53. So I have a stop loss for 53. And then if that gets violated, we'll re-enter. So far, these are up 10%. Oh, nice, nice, nice. All right. Oh, yes. Very nice. This is up comfortably now. Everyone should definitely start to solidify some profit as we got that spike above. Good. Good scalp. We're not getting like major follow through today. That's the issue. We're not getting huge just downward moves, everything. It's just quick scalps so far for today. I'm only holding a very small position right now with the stop loss below 53. These are just runners, but they're holding support up, so it looks like it's about to bounce, but I still have got a bear flag, 427.50, 427.55 area still holding as resistance. Made a green candle, did not reward the bulls here, and reversed it below the prior low. They ripped late bears, so they're chopping it around here. They're starting to chop it around, so we just have to be patient. This is another opportunity to take some profit if you haven't already. This is basically a very similar trade to what initially I was wanting to short back here. where I was saying that the downward pressure needed to just like continue, and then this led to a big spike down, but then the spike down was bought up. So let's see if we get a big spike down now that doesn't get bought up. So that would be spectacular. So far, so freaking good. So far, so freaking good. %. %. 30%. Took only 6 tries. Aw. That's very cute. I hope everything works out for you, my brother. But if you were watching the stream, you would know that it was not 6 tries, my brother. Good, 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 good. This worked out really well. This worked out very, very well. Sorry, I wasn't looking at the chats as much. Sorry. Yeah, so Mikey, I said to DM on Instagram. Yeah. So everyone that's new, I literally give everything away completely for free. I don't charge anyone for anything. I give everything away completely for free. All of my trades, everything that you need to get started on how to trade, the books that you need to read, everything, I give it away for free. So send me a DM on Instagram or on Discord to get that stuff. God's child, have you made any buys yet? I just got here. Yeah, so we went short. And trade worked out very well. The trade worked out very well. They're not letting it fall. Like, sorry. They're not letting it just fall, because if it ends up falling, then the entire bullish move that we have so far for today would just be decimated. So they're trying their best to hold this 426.90 area as support as best they can. We bought puts, or basically we went short on the SPY, which is the S&P 500. We're just buying naked calls and puts. We're not selling any premium. We're just buying them naked. NASDAQ new high of day. The Russell, the Russell on the 1 minute. The Russell on the 1 minute chart right now, it looks like it did on the daily. for quite some time. It looks exactly like it does on the daily. Why are you shorting? Because the contracts went up almost 40%. So it worked out. So just quick scalps. Yeah, so we're day trading, but you know, it's the market isn't really in a spot where we can get good swings. The only easy swing was just shorting the IWM. But in terms of you know, we're trading the closest dated expiration contracts. So we're scalping those. Yeah. Going short at resistance, long at support, keeping it very simple. 351.80 is major resistance on the NASDAQ. So let's see how it responds as we get closer to that. June 23rd. Yeah, Klein. Hayes, what app do you use to trade? It depends on what country you're in. So what country are you in? Good stuff, Indie Scripter. I'll go long here, plus I thought it, but I'm trying to be better. Reading situations like this because I was wanting to lean short, but I broke straight through, so I was left alone because I thought I love it watching. Trade 6.9 is around and close to what they say. Next turn here, you need a somebody beats no money. Watching QQ something much. But are you still holding the IWM 184 puts for June? Yes. Yeah, I'm still holding those puts. I still rethinking. This dude who I was watching how to trade. Thank you, Trey. The market is still piling into calls. There has to be a great short opportunity soon. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see. How about revisit? Then it came in clutch. All out 20%. Nice, nice, nice. Have everyone plead their commission fee with their brokers. I'm in light put. This is very, 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 very risky. I'm in light puts. Very, very risky. High if they stop. It's very risky trade. All right. Damn, I'm feeling kind of validated in my thought process now. Interesting, because when I first started trading, kind of blind throwing money, the little knowledge I had was being long biased because I couldn't get a short of my life. It's nice. Glad things are working out, Trey. The NASDAQ hit 351.80. The SPY basically started to show weakness at high of day. Then the IWM is starting to break below the range. So things are showing weakness. But now, like, this is setting up to be a major bear trap, but things are showing weakness. So that's why it's risky. Because generally, when things are showing weakness like this, but the SPY is still showing support, then it is a bear trap. But we got in pretty decently. We have a stop loss up here. Loose lotto sort of risky trade. It is what it is. But with the IWM breaking below the range, the NASDAQ failing at resistance, you know, it is what it is. Bang, longs paid 434. Nice. Ronit Tapa 10. Very, very soon. Attack wrong somehow. As much as I don't know what we're doing, give me a thought card. We just exploring bullish move on a trending day. If I was going to the moon with it, that was the only thing I had confidence in. Nice. The longer it takes for it to fall, the more chance these idiots are gonna rip it to the upside. These morons, absolute morons. If they rip it up, it makes no sense. They should drop it down, make everyone bearish, and then rip it up. But these idiots are trying to hold it up here. Disgusting. Like, so dumb. Why would you even do this? Doesn't even make sense. You should drop it down lower to this level of support, get people bearish down here, and then rip it up. Idiots, man. Damn, they're setting this up to explode to the upside. So whatever you guys are holding right now, make sure it's a very small light position. Idiots, man. Such a great opportunity for a huge drop. Silly guys. Once again, the longer it takes for them to drop it down, the higher chance there is for a pop upwards. So idiots, man, this is stupid. They evened out the option contracts, so it looks like they're going to continue it. But 427.84 is still acting as resistance. But they evened out the contract. So it's down 10% currently. Normal bearish setups aren't working right now. So that's why I said to get in with a very light, risky, basically trade. It was a very risky trade. Still holding it, but it looks like it's going to continue up. I'm going to sell it soon. Yeah, I'm out. They even out the option contract. So basically where we entered it, the price that once it came back to that price, the option contract was cheaper. So what they did was they made a big, they consolidated it for a few minutes and then they had a big spike up. When they have that big spike up, we got it for around 42. At the same price that we got it at, by the time it came, the contracts ended up being 39 at the same price, essentially. So when that happens, they basically try to continue it up in the direction that it exploded in to begin with. Mm-mm-mm. 428 is major resistance on the SPY. I'm gonna take 428.10 is major resistance on the SPY. If we get a little pop upwards, I'm gonna buy puts again. I'm in very light puts with a stop loss above high of day. This is very, very light. Initially I want it to break above so that we could get it cheaper, but this is a really risky position right now. Lotto risky trade, so do not take this if you have small. This is a very, very like just, I'm just taking it because I don't want to regret not taking it. We're at resistance. Things are showing weakness. Let's see. Option contracts are holding value really, really well. So that is generally that's generally a very bad sign. But the option contracts have not lost value basically at all, even as the price was going up. I'm still holding. Contracts didn't lose value. Once again, 428.10, major resistance. It should be falling lower. But once again, you know, let's see. A lot of these bearish setups for today have not been working out. But these are textbook shorting opportunities. It's very, very difficult to be long up here. We're holding support. And once again, very similar to the last situation, the longer it takes to hold support, to break below support, the more likely we are to rip upwards. But this is definitely not a long opportunity. Even if it breaks upward, it's just not a good opportunity to go long. 428. Still holding as resistance. This would be like the best place to add to shorts. This was basically the trade that I was waiting for, but we entered it really early. I wanted it to touch a bit higher for me to enter. So this is where I would have initially entered short. So from here, this is essentially at 428.10, and that's basically where I would have entered. So once again, it was risky when we initially entered it over here, because this was just clear strength, and we started to show weakness already. Ideally, I would rather go short into a level of resistance, and that level of resistance was much closer on this candle than it was where we went short. So that's why when we went short, it was risky, because there was still a bit more room to go. I said that I wanted to pop upwards, and then this was that candle where we got that pop upwards closer to the level of resistance. Garbage. Pretty garbage price action. NASDAQ is making a new high of day, and it's comfortably trading above 352.27 resistance, which is pulling the SPY up. Once again, this is where I would have entered short to begin with, and this would have been a tight trade here. I won't ask people for money on DM, so it's a scammer. So don't respond to the scammers, or just report and block them. Nice. Everything, this whole situation, this whole setup is pointing to a move down. So I would be very, very this is just really dumb price action if they don't bring it down lower. The average up is up. The average down is up. If you guys average down or entered again, definitely take some profit. Contracts aren't moving. Again, the contracts are not really moving. So what are they gonna just keep on levitating this up? NASDAQ is holding support. The IWM is holding support. Contracts aren't losing value. So once again, this could be a continuation of what I was saying earlier, where when the contracts don't lose value that much and the price, it can basically continue up in that same direction. Took some profit on the average down, but now this needs to remain below 427.07. Ideally below 427.05. 428.05, sorry. This is very dumb. It's a very dumb price action. It should be dropping. That's the issue here. The longer it takes to drop, the more bullish it is. But this is not a bullish setup. This whole entire thing was not bullish. The average up, the average down is up 15%. So that's cool, but I'm out the rest. NASDAQ new high of day. The IWM is at support. 185 is support on the IWM. Let's see if we could re-enter until the 428s. I'm in the 428 puts. Again, this is we're playing against the trend here, but we're not seeing clear bullish moves either. And once again, trade is a trade. I want this to remain below 428 14, 428 15ish area. The puts, when they don't lose value like this, the move cannot sustain itself to the upside as much. Should get a nice push to the downside. Give us a nice little opportunity to scalp some profits. They're holding this up, but we're trading below 428.15, so that's nice. I have a stop at 0.6. I don't want to hold this beyond that point. I'll re-enter as we get closer. And I'm willing to get chopped around here, but I'm keeping it very, very tight. With any of these trades or anything that I'm doing, I have a very, very tight stop loss up here. I don't want to get chopped around. Meaning I don't want to hold on to a losing trade needlessly. But at the moment, 428.15 is holding as resistance, but we're not getting a breakdown lower like we should have, and this is primarily due to the bullishness that we're seeing all day. But this is a very bearish setup. Generally, this would have dropped already, so that's why we're taking it. regardless of how bullish the day is. The bulls are just holding this up. You can see the contracts are still not paying that well, which is good for the bears. Contracts are still not really paying that well, which is great for bears. Regardless of how many trades we take, we have to just continue taking them. Every good setup you take doesn't matter. As long as you have a nice tight stop loss, you manage your risk properly. Easy money. Easy money. Taking some profit. Easy money. Easy money. So for everyone that's new, this was up at least 15-20%. I don't know how everyone should have been up at least 15-20%, but yeah, regardless, everyone that's new and you don't understand what's going on, or you're just watching this, you don't know where to start, you don't know where to begin, send me a DM on Instagram or on Discord. I share everything completely. I share everything completely for free. And I'll respond to you. I'll give you guys what you need to get started. And yeah, as you can see, I'm doing this in front of you. Literally, we entered a trade and it went up 15-20%, depending on when you would have entered. So if you put $100, you would have made $15 to $20, basically. That's how this works. And yeah, I just stuck to the bias, and all throughout this entire time I've been bearish, and I am still bearish. 428.10, 428 area is major resistance. The IWM just made a new low. Back up almost 20%. Did you guys take this trade? Can you put a 1 in the chat if you guys took the trade? Nice. Good stuff. Good stuff, good stuff. Sorry I'm not reading the chat as much. I hope there's easy freaking money. Don't rely on the moving averages as much as support and resistance levels. Rely more on levels of support and resistance, horizontal levels of support and resistance, and price action. Going long here is it's very risky. Generally, going long here is very risky. This should be a bull trap. But these idiots all day, they've just been rising the market. So this might end up bouncing. Generally, though, we should not. This should get another leg down. If we get another leg down, I'm going to sell another chunk. Yeah, if this trade didn't work out, I would have been very upset. I am about to sell the rest. Yeah. See if we can re-enter. I'm looking to go short again as we get closer to 428. 20. These morons. Absolute morons. They should just... Interesting. This is going to be my last trade. This is going to be my last trade. And I'm looking for puts. But again, it's going to be my last trade. It's going to be very risky. It's not a good trade. I mean, this is not going to be a... It's high quality, but it's not... We're basically going to be playing with profits, sort of, trade. So it's not... Are you taking 0 DTE options? Yes. Genjo, I'm short. I'm down 20%. You gotta have a stop loss. You have to stick to your stop losses and stick to a plan as you're entering into short or long, regardless of... I'm in light puts. This is stupid. This is a very, very risky trade. Shit. This is gonna be all. Oh my god. This is a very dumb trade. But regardless, once again, 428.15 is going to be resistance. I'm not happy with this trade at all, honestly. But damn. Pains me to have taken this trade, to be honest. Yeah, I'm just gonna sell for a small loss. I don't know why I even entered it. I'm just gonna sell for a small loss. This makes no sense. I want this to get closer to. Yeah. I want this to pop upwards a little bit before I enter. Yeah, this is what I would have rathered. Good, good, good. Good. I want it closer to 428.20 before going short. Just a little bit higher. Honestly, I'm okay with missing this trade. If it just continues falling lower, I'm fine with that because the price action has just been very, very choppy, and I don't feel comfortable entering into anything at the moment. It's just it doesn't feel good. Price action is very choppy. It's basically bear trap and then bull trap and then bear trap up here. So I don't really it's all good. I don't see the point in throwing away the profits from today for no reason. So look, we just had a bearish move and then they ripped it up higher. We had a bullish move earlier and then they ripped it down lower. So things are chopping around here. So I'm just being patient. If it does fall lower, so be it. Game's getting emotional. Yeah, I mean, don't let your emotions get the best of you with this. Just be patient and just relax. Don't respond to everything. Don't be responsive. Don't be responsive. This is I'm in light puts, high day stop. Risky trade again, but if they're gonna rip it up, it's gonna be soon, and I have a stop loss at 0.47. IWM is breaking down lower. The NASDAQ has resistance at 353. It failed. But the SPY is still holding support. Piece of crap. You need to see it break down lower here. Regardless, good trade in my opinion. I feel way better shorting up here than like 5-10 minutes earlier. So it is what it is. Let's see. Yeah, this trade would have been like 40% already. Usually these setups would generally have dropped down very, very dramatically already, but because today is very bullish, the downward moves are taking time, and the longer they take, the less likely that we're going to get a huge move down. But regardless, it's a good trade to take. I took some profit. This is some this needs to remain below 428.25. If this remains below 428.25, this is gonna really break lower. This is not a bullish setup. Even going long here is very, very risky. Even going long here is risky. Like, generally, like, so this is a falling wedge, right? But this is the type of falling wedge that just breaks down lower. Easy money. Good opportunity to take profit if you haven't already. Let me read the chat real quick. Sorry. Just scalp it. Let's see. You read the comments? Yes. So now, just don't let this go back red. 428.07 is major support. We came right to that level. So don't let it go back red. You could be loose. Damn, what a stupid opportunity. Though they could have just dropped it down so hard on this trade. Idiots. This is disgusting. This would have been like a 40-50% play already within like minutes. But they just want to hold it up for everyone that's bullish. Back to 428.07. Let's see if the SPY can finally break below that. But the IWM is starting to show strength above VWAP. The NASDAQ is also showing a bit of weakness here, but it's holding support. So let's see. You know, the way that the day has been so far, we're probably just going to consolidate. But this was a bull trap. I'm trying to go long at the lower end of this falling wedge. Ended up ripping down lower. So let's see if the bulls can just take a break for like 5 minutes. Just take a break for 5 minutes and then let this go to like 40%, so we call it a day. I have a stop loss for 0.50 for the rest. I'm playing loose on the rest. These are up. you guys could remain in profit, but I'm just gonna play loose on the rest of these. Yo, man's really be gambling at this point. Yo, you have, yo, who? It's all good. What's his top EMA? You guys both made new accounts to talk. You guys made new accounts to talk crap to me. That's so sad, bro. I hope everything. Yo, that's crazy. That is wild. That is wild. What's his top EMA, or what is that signal? This is the Bollinger Band. This is the Bollinger Band. The Bollinger Band settings are the original settings. You're too emotional, man. What? What are you talking about? Do you always take profit so early, or are you uneasy based on the PA? So I always like to take some sort of profit at 10%, but I am definitely, going short, obviously, into a very, very bullish day is risky. So, yeah, it's a mixture of both. Uneasiness as well as taking base hits. Profits at base hits, they add up. Ooh, beautiful. Thank God. Thank God. We didn't freaking... Thank God. Yeah, this is not a long setup. If they rip it up from here, this is not a long setup. This should act as a stop. This should act as resistance and keep falling lower. But if it doesn't, then it is what it is. We're up on the trade. We made money. .50 is continuing to hold as a stop loss. This should vomit. Any other day, this would have vomited. We would have been up 40-50%. DJ Khaled would have been like, God, dude. Everything would have been a perfect little opportunity, and we all would have left already. It's 11:40. It's 11:40. These guys are still holding the market up. Oh dear. Yeah, so we went short, and currently the contract's doing well. But if you guys are new, once again, send me a DM on Instagram or on Discord, and I'll send you a bunch of free books and courses, guides, everything that you need to start. Just take it one step at a time. There's a lot to learn, but the market and trading is not going anywhere. So just be patient with your learnings and stuff. Don't try to make money overnight. Don't try to use this as a get rich quick scheme. Nothing. Just be patient. If you're new to trading, you should just start with I love that the chat is all helping each other and stuff. That's awesome. Really happy to see that. They're just chopping it around here. They're freaking just chopping this around. Definitely not a time to start taking any new trades. There is no follow through with any of the upside or the downside moves. They could bounce it here. They're making it very, very bullish. If we get a close above 428.25, I'm gonna sell, but this is just a waste of time at this point. It's just taking too long to drop. Again, this is a clear-cut short opportunity. If they rip it up from here, this is gonna be really dumb. We broke above. We faked it above. You know, it has to be dropping. This should be falling lower. Any other day, this would have fallen lower dramatically already. But they're consolidating it. 428 is major support, and you know, as we just painted this candle, this could be a very big bear trap. So that's the issue. We're at support. 428 is support. Many people just became very, very bearish here, and they could easily rip it up. And we're just going to continue trading within this range until enough people can go short at levels of resistance and load up and fall. That's why on bearish days, I would rather only be going short at levels of resistance or into strength, not as weakness is already occurring. All right. So far, so good. Thank God. Thank God, bro. I sold some more. I'm about to... What a stupid, just bullish. What a bullish day, bro. Like, this should have fallen so dramatically already. All right, I'm about to sell the rest and call it a day. You guys know the playbook. You guys know what I'm looking for, the levels that I'm looking for. 428.20 is a major resistance. I'm very bearish up here. You guys can continue just scalping with tight stop losses here at shorts, but I don't want to continue just waiting. But yeah, that's the playbook for today. So I'm just leaning short as long as we remain below 428.25 and especially high of day. 428.07 is a major level as well on the SPY. And this is another really good short opportunity, to be honest. This is a fantastic short opportunity once again. The NASDAQ has resistance at 353. The IWM made a really big high and it's below VWAP. But yeah, this is weak. There's no bullish structure here. All of this is freaking weak. Okay, thank goodness. All right, where are you, Mr. Khaled? Mr. K? Mr. K, where are you?
God did. God did.
Yes. Yes, he did.
God did.
All right. With that being said, it was a pretty this is the longest I've streamed in quite some time. And I hope you guys made money. I hope you guys learned. I hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, man. Hope you guys have an amazing day. If you guys, I stream every day. If you guys are interested in any free books or courses, you guys want to learn how to get started with all of this stuff, send me a message on Instagram or on Discord. Really sorry. I'm super sorry I was not paying attention to the Twitch or the YouTube chats. Is there anything like is there any questions that haven't been answered? Because I saw you guys were answering each other's questions and you guys were doing everything already. But is there anything that I need to... Is there anything that... anyone that needs help with anything that I could respond to and help with? Someone asked about an LLC and tax write-offs. Yeah, so if you get an LLC, the LLC, you need to, you get a lot of write-offs if you have an LLC and you, that's the way to go. Yeah, Trey. All of that stuff is possible. Yep. Playing an outro will be added to my morning routine before. Yeah, Trey, that is definitely possible. So, just contact an accountant that works near you. Contact an accountant. Definitely start an LLC, open an LLC, and you could write off things before you're even making money. Just speak to an accountant, because I'm not going to be the one doing your taxes, but I'm saying like all of this stuff is possible. And it also, I guess, it may depend on your state. So, yeah, definitely do that. So I'm not holding anything, but you know, I sold already, but the short position that other people are still holding is still profitable, but I'm not holding it. I'm about to leave. So yeah, if you guys are interested, just send me a DM on Discord. 7G, just send me a DM on Discord. There's tons of people from the UK as well. Thanks for the ride, Molina. Thank you for the support. All right, guys. Hope you guys have a great day. Thank you guys for your love. Kenny, thank you for the subscribe. Should we hold the July 21 IWM puts? Yes. All right. All right, cool. Just make sure you have a stop loss, and obviously, like, don't get ripped by it. But it's like I'm very loose with that as well. So just don't get married to it. If it ends up ripping up too high, then have a stop loss for like 188 on the IWM. Or 187.50, that area. But so far, I mean, it's doing what it needs to do for a continued move down. The IWM is weak. It should continue falling lower. But today, the NASDAQ is a big winner. So the NASDAQ strength is helping pull the SPY up, which is interesting. And because the chips are also doing really well. So, yeah. Let's see. Let us see. Alright. McDr. Pepper, thank you for the follow. Appreciate it.